Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pan-seared salmon. You will need 2 salmon steaks, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Season your salmon with your salt and pepper. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter and add your olive oil. Add your salmon to the pan and allow it to cook for 4 minutes on each side. Now add your lemon juice, lemon zest, and parsley, and then it is ready to serve. This is a simple recipe that you can cook any night of the week. I really hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab